Applications of electrolysis. Electrolysis finds a wide range of applications in industries. The three main applications are electroplating, electrorefining, and electrometallurgy. First application is electroplating. Electroplating is the process of coating an inferior metal with a superior metal by passing electricity. The aims of electroplating are to prevent the inferior metal from corrosion and to make it more attractive in appearance. Electroplating with silver. Any article can be electroplated with silver by using electrolysis. The article to be plated is made cathode and a thick rod of pure silver is used as anode. Electrolyte is a salt solution of silver. Here sodium argentocyanide is used as electrolyte and a few drops of hydrogen cyanide is used, which increases the process of electrolysis. Sodium argentocyanide is dissolved in water to prepare its solution. The components of electrolyte dissociate into their ions. So sodium argentocyanide, hydrogen cyanide and water dissociate to give their respective ions. From these ions, silver ions move towards cathode and get discharged there by taking electrons. Anode is active anode, so it participates in the reaction. It loses its electrons and converts into silver ions. From the solution, these silver ions again move towards cathode and get deposited at the surface of the article. In this way, a smooth surface is formed at the surface of the article which has to be plated with silver. Electroplating with nickel. Any article can be electroplated with nickel also. The article to be plated is connected to cathode. A thick rod of pure nickel is used as anode. Electrolyte is a solution of nickel sulfate in water containing a few drops of sulfuric acid, which enhances the process of electrolysis. Again, the electrolyte components dissociate into their ions. Nickel sulfate, sulfuric acid and water dissociate to give their respective ions. From this solution, nickel ions get attracted towards cathode and get deposited by taking two electrons. Since anode is active anode, so nickel participates in the reaction. It loses its two electrons and converts into nickel ions. These nickel ions from the solution again get attracted towards cathode and get deposited at the surface of the article. Second application of electrolysis is electrolytic refining or electro-refining. The process of purification of an impure metal to get pure metal with the help of electricity is called electro-refining. Electro-refining of impure copper metal. For this process, a thin strip of pure copper is used as cathode and a thick rod of impure copper, which has to be purified, is taken as anode. Electrolyte is the solution of copper sulfate in water containing a few drops of sulfuric acid. The components of electrolyte will get dissociated into their ions, and from these ions they will move towards cathode and anode. The ions present in the solution are copper ions, sulfate ions, hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions. Copper ions move towards cathode and get deposited there by taking 2 electrons. So copper metal is formed at the surface of cathode. Since anode is active, it loses its electrons and converts into copper ions, and these copper ions from the solution again get attracted towards cathode and get deposited there. In this way, from impure rod, copper moves towards cathode to get deposited in the form of pure copper. Impurities settle at the bottom of anode in the form of anode mud.